Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how I created this motivational piece. We are starting with a pencil sketch, never skip this step. It allows you to map out your spacing and ensures your quote is centered. I am lightly marking where the letters will sit and where I want my leafy borders to flow. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just our roadmap. Now let's go in with the ink. I'm using a brush pen, which is a Tombow brush pen for this script. The secret to this look is pressure control. Press down hard on the downstrokes to get those thick lines and lift up lightly for the thin upstrokes. Take your time with the words, doing your best. The message here is so important. It's about the journey and the effort you put in, not just the final trophy. Next, let's add some life with these green leaves. I'm using a brush pen, delicate vine following the pencil path we made earlier, like to vary the size of the leaves to make it look more organic. Notice how I am weaving them around the text. This helps the quote feel like it's part of the garden rather than just sitting on top of it. To finish the composition, I am adding a bold yellow border. I chose yellow because it's bright and optimistic, matching the mood of the quote. Here is the final result. I hope this impresses you to pick up your pens and create something today. Remember, progress over perfection. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.